Hello and welcome to How to Pronounce Spanish. Today's phrase is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in Spanish is mucho gusto conocerte. Mucho gusto conocerte. Although if you want to step up your Spanish game, you should probably just say mucho gusto, which is typically more used than the full phrase, and it still conveys the same meaning. Pay attention now. Mucho gusto en conocerles a todos ustedes que ven este video. Did you catch that whole phrase? If you did, tell me what it means in the comments. Well done! And that's all for today. Check out these other videos to help you with your Spanish. And if you found this video useful, share it and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.